done it and it is a cracker.
What's going on? It is currently what? 5:02 in the morning. I'm going fishing with my good mate Kurt, and hopefully we're going to catch some kingies and I know maybe go out to the fad or something like that. So it's too early for this. Spark, come here. Look after your pets, people. Just quickly, comment below if you've ever seen a dog cuter than this. So, we're out here on the beautiful Port Hacking. It's like 6 or something in the morning, and dramatic lures. That's dramatic lures right there. Hopefully we can find a few kingies, or I don't know, we don't really have any plans this morning. We're just gonna see what happens. Hey Kurt, how does it feel to be featured in Yaan and Bree's YouTube channel?
Pleasure, mate.
Let's go. Little bait ball. Kurt's gonna get us some. They're right here. I reckon I'll probably just hook one. I'll go on the other side of it and just hook one.
That's a good idea.
Got something. Oh no, dropped it. Alright, if this works, this is gonna be the easy way to catch bait. The extender pole. Nah. After spending a while trying to catch bait, we decided to bail as the bait schools were up high and feeding, so we found them hard to catch. Our last hope was to find bait easy to catch at our fishing spot. Otherwise, we better hope that the fish are happy to eat lures and plastics. Yeah. Good fish.
Well, I got a yakker on too.
It's all on now.
Your fish is, but it's going very high. I look big then. I want to drive it.
Yeah, drive on it. Dude, it could be a longie, eh?
Yeah, I reckon it's something
It's floating on the surface like a tuna.
very fucking high.
Yeah.
It's not a massive salmon, is it?
I'm alright. Oh, he's going around the boat. Yeah.
Is it active?
Yeah, I think so. Either that or a fucking Mac tuna or a Bonnie. You ready? You gotta look at it, it's all good. I think it might be just a big Bonnie. Yeah, get the net. I don't know, have a look. Yeah, it's a Bonnie. It's a fucking big one, but...
Hey, bring the can up.
Oh,
Hey, that's more exciting for me than it.
that is the biggest freaking Bonnie.
It always doesn't fit in the net.
Dude, that is a...
Look at the size of this thing.
That is a big Bonnie. On the jig, hooked up to this nice, healthy Bonito. So I think that's going to be sashimi for dinner tonight.
What a unit.
Yeah, it's like a dog tooth tuna out of the...
Cow it up again so I can...
I always chop my finger off.
Oh, that's a big dog.
Just have a look at that.
Okay.
You just freaking need to chill out.
Oh god.
It's a good enough.
It's not a big bonito, I think. That is an absolute unit of a bonito.
Yeah. Alright, let's deal with this one. Yeah. Yes!
Oh.
Yes! I think I might have got that on video too. Oh no, it fell. Yeah. I just don't want it to snap. Look at all the bonito. I'll put it in the lively tank, see how you go. Dude, that was insane. I think I might have got that on video. Oh yeah, they're right here. Look at them. They're all swiping at it. Oh, on. No way. Dude, this is like commercial fishing. Alright. Here they are. So they're all bonito? Yeah. Yeah, here they are. They're swiping at it. Oh, they're on Kurt's. There, yeah. No. Oh, on. Yeah. Oh, they go so hard on that rod. That's not a bad one. Let him go. What do you reckon? Or in the livey tank? Oh. Did you get another one? This is bonito madness. They're little pocket rockets, eh? I must have got their mum. Kurt's just hooked up. I wonder how long it would take me to hook up. Oh.
It won't take you long.
You can see them on the sounder.
Oh, yeah. That was on, wasn't it?
Yeah. You just gotta really erratically jig it. I don't think we've ever seen that many bonito before. That's pretty crazy. So we're just gonna line up another drift now and hopefully find a kingy in the mix of all those little bonito, or maybe even a long-tailed tuna or something hiding in there, eating on anything, all the yakka and all the bonito. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Kurt just hooked up to a sick fish.
Might just be a big bonito.
Pardon?
Might just be a big bonito.
Either that or a nice little rat. I got the net ready.
He's a kingy.
Kingy?
Yeah.
Sorry. Staying low. What is it?
Kato, you got a copy?
It's a kingy.
Or is it a massive bonito?
No, it's a kingy.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it looks like a decent one too.
Any other ones?
Yeah, mate.
That's a good kingy. That's a freaking. Shit. That is a good king. That's a good kingy, eh?
Flow right up. Really, a couple of reds and a couple
I'll pull you.
Try it, yeah, swimming.
Yeah.
the other day.
That is a nice kingy. If that isn't the freaking dream right there. No way. That's a kingy. They're good sized fish. That's so sick. Not a bad esky. Not a bad esky. Let's go. Tell me when you want me to chuck him out. So what I'm doing here is just holding the line in free spool. We've got a live yakker out there. And as soon as I feel a bit of tension, like that line will just get ripped straight out of my hands. I just flick the bail arm and set the hooks. I'm just gonna cast as far as I can. Yeah. Yep. He's staying low. Oh. Yeah. Yes. All right, we got him up. Yeah. Yeah, it's a king, look at it. Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. It's like yours. Oh, you didn't like the boat.
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah, boys. That is a good one. Good little fat king. Alright, just on the plastic. Got this really nice one. Took the plastic over the livey, so yeah. Stoked with that. That's a healthy little king.
That's a fat one.
Yeah, another one for the esky. See if we can upgrade the size.
Okay, show us the plastic that you're using.
Just a gulp. Jerk shad, isn't it?
1 ounce,
Yeah.
and a 9-inch gulp.
Yeah. Smoked it.
They like it over live bait today.
Yeah. Not complaining, but
Yeah, hold on with the lure as well.
it's funny how we spent so long, trying to catch a liveys and
I know.
not
Oh,
even
that's alright. That's okay.
Yeah, it's not as big as Kurt's one, but it's definitely illegal. But it is a kingy, and it is going to be the most delicious sashimi you can ask for. So frothing as. Let's go.
That was a quick fight, wasn't it?
Nice work. So that's the bait, and that's how close to land we're catching these
That's
kingies.
the scenery.
Pretty nice, eh?
Beautiful.
Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, the kingy.
Is it? Is this not fine yet?
Nice little kingy.
Told you that one was getting a gold. Throw a little bit on it.
Nice little kingy. Quickly get the tag in him. The tag in. Straight in there.
How quick was that fight compared to those other dogs?
Yes.
Can't look that good.
That's a good fish. Yeah. That was a sick run. Yeah. Oh no, that was on the jig. The knife jig.
Good one.
Might be a kingo. I don't know. Oh, it raced me, eh?
Sorry.
I could feel it in the... No, I don't... I thought it was a Bonito as well. I could feel it in the reef just then. No. Oh, I feel that.
Yeah, definitely a king.
Reefed us.
I had no clue that was
Probably a good one too.
by the sound of it.
Oh, that sucks, but... Oh well, look at the conditions.
You know?
Yeah. Oh no. I still got it. Yeah, it's a Bonito.
The king used to follow it. Drop it down and wind it back up. Is it small Bonito?
Yeah.
Not enough good out for live bait or?
I don't know. Probably not. Do you want a Bonito or not?
Oh, look underneath it.
Yeah. I might drop into that. Or I can see him under us. Yeah, I can see him under us.
When it's down there, it's that fucked up. Ooh. There you go.
Just a Bonito, I reckon, for sure. Yeah.
Like it.
No, I think it's the same size. There's all these jellyfish. Look at everywhere. That is a big Bonito. Before we chop these fellas up, let's see how long this Bonito is. So the Bonito came in at about 65 centimeters, and the Kingy is about 70 centimeters. So not bad, two nice fish. But that Bonito is huge. It's like twice the thickness of the Kingy. Alright, just got back home. There's the fish from today. Absolutely frothing on that. Can't complain with that. Good Kingy and a really good Bonito. So that'll be delicious. How's that? That's all the Kingfish. Processed it into little bags because I'll have that for sashimi in the future and freeze it. The Bonito, that's going to be my dinner tonight. And that's going to a friend. Chuck all those frames in the ocean. Make sure you throw your fish scraps back in the ocean because that's where it comes from. It's good for the environment rather than going to landfill. Fish out there will eat it and everyone's happy. Grab a piece, dunk it in there. In to the rest of this. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.